Hello everyone.
I'm so young that I feel like a rickety old train. Great tunes. We never thank Death of Guitar Pop enough.
No, we don't really, do we?
Awesome tunes. Anyway, welcome to the future car knockout competition, and it's the worst round we've had.
You stole my intro.
You said it.
I said hello, welcome, and then you rudely interrupted me.
Well, you should be a little bit more forceful.
Anyway, so let's go through. So we've got the rules.
Got the rules.
No one likes the rules. And here are the two. So we pulled these out, didn't we, last time?
This is why this competition is stupid.
Why?
It's just
I think this
pathetic.
is good. These two are looking pretty...
No. This should be a final, not the first round. One of these cars is going out, and one of these two should be winning it.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, sorry, now I completely understand that.
Because that Polestar 3... That one there.
Yeah.
Let me hold my bingo wing up.
Yeah.
That Polestar looks better than a Porsche Taycan in my eyes.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than a Tesla.
And that's your favourite car?
You're right, it is. So Porsche Taycan is the dream car.
Is that a better looking car than the Porsche Taycan?
In ways, yes.
If you ignore your prejudice
badge,
that it's got a Volvo badge on it.
I don't
if that
mind
had
that,
a Ferrari badge on it,
you'd believe
or a Lamborghini
I'd believe
badge,
it.
It's stunning.
Yeah, no, it is. It is stunning. I can't deny
and
at
then,
all.
I don't want to do this, but I'm going to have to.
He's absolutely off his rocker.
EQS.
The EQS is looking pretty sexy.
If I could find that loose nut, I'd screw it up.
Yep. But wow, the wheels. I love the illuminated grille. That is so sexy.
We can't knock one of these out.
I know, we shouldn't be able to. Should we put them both through?
We can't.
We can't. We've got to do a knockout.
Rules, my friend, is rules.
Rules. Well, that's going to be damn hard. Because to me, the Merc is so futuristic, yet looks massive.
And apparently, that is coming out.
It looks huge.
They are going to sell those by the bucket load.
But it is
with cash.
But it's an EQS, so it is their biggest one of the range, isn't it?
But how stunning is it?
I know, but that Polestar's looking damn good as well.
But the Polestar's stunning, and they're completely different. That you've got a Luxo barge that looks like
that looks like a streamlined jet on the right,
and you know a billionaire's going to be. I mean, if you driving that, you're a billionaire.
You're right.
And you are going to look mega cool. The Polestar 3. I mean, it's just beautiful. I don't know what it is, but that really does it for me. I like the angular bonnet. I like the lights.
Yes.
I like the... Well, it's
got very much a sort of Tesla look, but it's just... It's like a futuristic Tesla.
It's a Tesla Taycan love child.
It is,
They've banged one up the exhaust pipe. And it's taken all the best bits of the two, and I think that is better looking than any Tesla or the Taycan, and I love the Taycan.
Yeah, Taycan's our favourite.
We were dreaming the other day about winning the lottery and going buying two, weren't we?
Yes, but I think I'd be heading down looking at one of those as well.
Well, when they come out.
But it would be unfair to chuck that Merc out, because that Merc is an absolute beast. Isn't it? I mean, just look at it.
I mean, look at the grille. That's all lit up as well.
The illuminated stuff, and the windows and the seats are all illuminated.
But I can't check the Polestar out.
We're gonna have.
I can't check the Merc out.
No, so we got to do it on the count of three. Then come on, work that little pea brain into the decision.
Oh, they are. This is. I wish we cheated and not put these two up.
Yes, we should have. We should have fixed this one.
We should have fixed this one, because they are the two best. I think.
Two of the best cars.
Two of the best cars in the competition.
So, what's your decision then? I think I've got mine.
Okay.
So we've got to do it on the count of three.
We are talking. I don't know how thick a fag paper is.
So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Say who's going through.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Merc. It just has to be, doesn't it? I mean, the Merc.
But it's so close.
I know it is, but the Merc is that extra level of something. You know, it's that. Oh, it's just
on
so
any
nice.
other day, that should have been the final so far.
I don't think there's another car in the competition other than that Merc there that would get that Polestar out.
I don't think so.
I think that Polestar got so unlucky. I can only apologise. This is a crap competition, and if you're watching it, you're doing well. Yeah, this just ruined itself, didn't it? There.
Oh well.
But we got it out.
The Mercedes is through.
So and Polestar, unfortunately,
Peter Polestar
don't deserve to go out, but you are. So
I'm almost too deflated to let you put your hand in my sack.
Oh, Come on, let me rummage around in the sack.
Oh, it's a bit of a sweaty sack today.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, the sack is lightning. You won't have to, this won't have too much longer.
Okay, so I've pulled out the Igniti0n T1. Ooh. Now I don't know what that is.
That's because you are as thick as dog shit.
Wow. You know nothing about confidence, eh? Nothing about confidence. Come on and read yours out.
I've got a Maserati, a Ghibli Coupe.
Ghibli Coupe. Yeah. Right.
A Ghibli Coupe.
So we're going to find out what this Igniti0n T1 is in the next round.
I know what that is.
Well, I know you do.
Because in here...
Aren't you just so clever? Oh, he's just so smart. Anyway, in the next one, you'll see who wins. Sorry, Polestar.
Best music there is.
Yep.
Get the guitar pop playing. We love those boys. We love those boys.